last dollar just got spent. First of the month comes, gotta pay rent. Where the money goes slipping through my hands. I'm working with these hands. Little Johnny needs a lunchbox. Little Susie needs clothes and it won't stop. Thanks calling us up and they don't care. It's more than I can bear. I gotta believe.
Hi everyone, this is Kim from Manuel. Today I will show you our new bait boat, the H100. The H100 is made for heavy loads. You can see the size is 82 by 35 by 25 centimeter. It's just like a platform in the water. It has a very high load capacity of over 5 kilograms. Just the brushless motor also provides a steady power to make the top speed over 320 meters per minute. It's also equipped with a 40 ampere-hour battery, so you can just bring one battery for a very long fishing trip. So if you want a boat that carries more, runs faster, and very stable, and the H100 is your choice. This is a controller for the H100. It is full waterproof, and it has a color screen to display a lot of information for the boat. This is the controller. You can see here is a screen to display a lot of information. And here is the signal status, and here is the battery of the boat. This is the battery of the controller. Here the status of the hopper, the hook release, the lighting, the fish finder. You can see here is the depth of the water, and here is the temperature of the water. Here display the distance between the boat with the fishing part. Here display the distance between the boats with the home point, and you can see here this area is set Lake A, so you can select 5 different lakes. And here is the home point, and number 1 to number 9 is you can set 9 different fishing spots. And for the control method, a joystick is mode the boat, and here this is the home point button. Click to see the home point. Hold to delete the home point you set. This is the fishing spot button. Click to go to the fishing spot. This is the fishing lake button. You can see click to change different lakes. You can see A, B, C, D, 5 lakes. And here left button and right button to select the number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see, and after you select number, if you select number 1, click OK to save the number 1 fishing spot, and hold OK button. You can delete the fishing spot you set. And this is the hopper button. Click to open the hopper. This is the speed adjusted button. Click to adjust the speed level. You can select 3 different speed level, and hold the speed button. You can enter the calibrate method. And here's the back to home point button. Click, the boat will back to the home point directly. And this is the lighting button. And here is the sensor button. Click to open the sensor in the boat. For example, the water depth temperature sensor or the fish finder sensor. And here, this is the hook release button. Click to open the hook release. And here's the power switch. But you can click to enter the menu. You can see there are different many functions. Home pass, spark pass. This function is used to adjust the boat. For example, if the boat from the home point to the fishing spot, it cannot go very strict, so you can use this to adjust it to back to the straight. Very strict, yeah. And for next, auto bait. So the auto bait function is just when a boat arrives at the fishing spot, it will open the hopper and back to the home point directly. And in 1K, you don't need to control anything. And the return word, so it means the boat will back to the home point if the battery volt is lower than what you set. And the start speed, cruise speed, and arrive speed. So you can adjust different start speed and arrive speed. It means it could start slowly, quietly, and arrive to the fishing spot quietly, slowly. And the ESC adjust is for the engineer, so you don't need to adjust it. Use the joystick to just put down So drop angle and hawk angle is for our engineers. And the drop return is very easy. Just every time the boat arrives to the fishing spot, it will open the hopper directly. And the RC auto off is only for the controller. If you forgot to close the controller after you're fishing, it will automatically turn off when you 15 minutes after you close the boat. The language is English and Chinese, and click the joystick to save the setting. The H100 is very easy to control. Before use, please make sure the signal situation is good and the battery for the boat and the controller is good. Okay, before use, please select the lake you want to use for here. You can select 5 different lakes. We take A for example. Before you use, please set the home point. Click home point button. Normally we maybe 3 or 4, 5 meters far from the shore, we set home point, and we move the boat 10 meters far from the shore to do the calibration, and hold the speed button. The boat will enter the calibration. So we just need to wait when it stops. And we suggest you to do 2 times the calibration. The first time is 10 meters far from the shore, and the second time you can choose the middle of the lake. Then the boat will be more accurate. Okay, let's wait till it stop. Okay, finished. Then we just move the boat to the fishing spot we want to set. Just push the joystick. And when you click the joystick, you enter the cruise mode. And click again to stop the cruise mode. And we can select 3 different speed level. Top speed, and click the speed level. And this first level is slow. And click again. Second speed level, and then click again. There are total 3 speed levels. This is the fastest. Okay, we just take here as the first fishing spot. Use the left or right button, select number. You can see total 9 fishing spots. We take here as the first fishing spot, then select number 1 and click OK button. That the number 1 tend to yellow color means set. Okay, let's go to the second fishing spot. Maybe here is the second one, and select number 2 and click OK button. Okay, when you want to go to the first fishing spot, select number 1 and click this one. This button is go to fishing spot. The boat will go there automatically. And when you call it back, just click this back home button. The boat will back automatically. You call it back, click it, put it back in. And this is the hopper button. Click to open the hopper. And this is the lighting button. And this is for sense if your boat equipped with the fish finder or water depth temperature sensor. Click to open it, and this is for the fog release. So if you want to delete the fishing spot you set, and you can just select number 1 or number 2 we already set and hold the OK button. So the number 1 will be deleted. You can see it turn to white color. And if you want to delete the home point, just hold the home point button. Okay. Yeah, delete it. If you want to open the hopper, just click. Leave it open. Very strong. For next, I will show you the menu function. Click the switch into the menu. You can see the home pass and spark pass for the menu. In some regions, the magnetic field is very strong to affect the boat cannot go straight. So we can use this method, this function to adjust the boat going straight. Home pass means from the fishing spar back into the home point, and the spark pass meaning from the home point to the spar fishing spar, or a fishing spar to another fishing spar. So this is the 0 value. So click the joystick to save and see what situation going to the fishing spar. The fishing spar I said is in front of me, but the boat is going to the left side in a circle to be the fishing spar. In this situation, we need to adjust the spot value to positive. And we call it back when it arrives in 4 meter, 3 meter. Okay, arrived and we call it back. When the boat is backing, it's also turning to the left side. So the home pass also need to adjust to a positive value. So when turn to left side, we change to positive value. When turn to right side, we change to negative value. So 5 meter for arrives. Okay, into the menu. Both value we need to make it positive. We adjust to 20, for example. Let's see what happened. Okay, 20. Also click to save, and we go to spar. You see, last time it's turned to left side, far from straight. This time is better than last time. It's going straight. Yeah, it still turns left side, but it's much better. We call it back. Yeah, the backing is strict. So the home pass no need to adjust anymore, but the spot pass we still need to make it positive. Maybe turn to 23. Okay, into the menu, and the home pass no need to adjust. The spot pass to 23. Also, the start speed and cruise speed and arrive speed. What's the meaning? The start speed is the first 15 meter, and the arrive speed is the last 30 meter. We adjust to teach slow, so it won't scare the fish. You can see we adjust it and go to the fishing spar. You can see this starting quietly, slowly, and the first 15 meter is very quiet. And after 15 meter, it will speed up. Let's see. Speed up. At 30 meter, it turns to slow again. To be there quietly. It's a very good function to let the boat won't scare the fish. You can see 18 meters, 16, 15, 13, 10 meter. Be there quietly, very slow. Very good.